traded, so I can't do that. Second thing, but I'll get to Euro USD. But basically, my relationship with Euro USD is done. We have a toxic relationship, and it's done. I'm stepping away from it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, like a jealous ex, but I'm done trading it for now. Maybe it's the time of the year. Maybe it's the time of the year. Good morning. Welcome back to the stream, people. Today is Friday. I'm feeling good. I've caught a trade this morning. I've already made 0.5% on the account today. I don't need to do nothing. I'm still in the trade that made me that money on gold. And I'm actually selling gold for once today. So very happy with it. And I'm just going to let it ride. And I'll tell you why I got into gold and what I think it could potentially do today. I'll give you a market review as well. We'll see if there's an opportunity to add in a position. I mean, this could be a potential place to add. But right now, I'm just going to wait till London session starts. We're 4 minutes before London session starts. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Because London could bring it all the way back here. All the way back to my entry. So I'm going to try and manage this trade a little bit. But zoom out and I'll tell you why I got into a sell. Even though I've been very bullish on gold recently, I got into a sell based on some price action. So gonna do that in a second. Let me gather my thoughts and just make sure everything here is ready. Okay, so I'll start by telling you why I'm in gold and why I'm not adding at this point.
Why?
Well, I'll tell you why I'm not adding at this point right now, because this is at a key price point. I had it marked out from a previous session. As you can see, it's already marked out. And we're going to see how it reacts to this if it holds. Initially, I was bullish still. It's in a demand zone. It created a inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right, just respected that low. And it's pushed up. So yesterday, I expected it to take this high. And I traded it yesterday, tried to take that high. I was in that trade so long. I got out, got in, got out. You may have saw that on stream. I got very frustrated.
Emotional.
Even off stream, I got back in. And let me just show you just a mess yesterday. Try to catch that. There you go. I call that in, out, in, out, in, out. So I said to myself, wow, this isn't where you want to be. You are being very reactive. And that's what I'm trying to do today, not to react to anything. I'm just going to plan it out, take the trades based on what I see, and just, if it's wicking back and forth, going back and forth too much, call it like I did yesterday, and actually this time stay disciplined. So I'm up on the account. Nice. I was able to scrape some change yesterday and made something today. I could close this and end the account currently on about 3%. Okay, shy of 3% now. It was 3% down here. So maybe I want 3% to end this week. I'm very happy on how much I've got currently. It's actually what would have been ideal if I was focused, which would have been 2.5%, making 0.5 every day throughout this week. So that's what I'm going to try and focus on next week. Try to keep this a lot cleaner. I did too much yesterday and it's really messing with my emotions yesterday. Affected my plans and everything. And to be honest, I was out the night before, so I was not being very patient, very impulsive. So it's not something I could carry on doing. I need to stop.
Stop it.
I can't have a late night and then, expect to have a good performance the next day when trading. So I can't do that. Second thing, but I'll get to Euro USD. But basically, my relationship with Euro USD is done. We have a toxic relationship and it's done. I'm stepping away from it. I'm going to keep an eye on it like a jealous ex. But
I think we might be on the move. That's a different outfit.
I'm done trading it for now. Maybe it's the time of the year. Maybe it's the time of the year. Maybe it's the time of the year. Maybe it's the quarter. I don't know. But it's just been back and forth, not moving. But I'll explain that in a second. So focus next week is discipline and going for 0.5 days and try to trade for the month. I need to trade this account for 14 days before I could make a withdrawal anyway. So this will be the first week. So next week, Monday, no, not next week, not next week, the week after Monday, should be able to make a withdrawal. So if I just focus on doing 0.5 a day, maybe get 5k if everything goes according to plan, and then I can make a withdrawal request based on the 5k. May take the whole thing. But yeah, stick around for that. I'll share that with you. I'll let you know if we get there and what I do with that. So definitely stick around for that. But let's get back to trading. Let's get back to this. So I'm in gold, okay? And the reason I'm in gold for the sell now is because of what's happened currently. The reason I say I'm done with Euro USD, so I've read all that, everything indicated that it's respecting the previous daily high. So I got into a position, I decided, you know what, this is an easy read. I got into a position to just hold it and see how long I could hold it, so test my patience. But I expected it to move a lot further. But the way it's just been chopping, it's been moving like a range of 50 pips, 30 pips here, 38 pips. Like I said, I've been watching this thing, I'm been studying it, and it's just not moving. Last night in the evening, I saw this push up here, broke the structure here, sold it from there, holding it. It came up against me, didn't care, holding it. Hold! You're going down. So this morning, the problem with it is it kept me up all night. I was up at 4 a.m. Has it gone down? No. Checked all my alerts. Nope. Went back to sleep. Up at 5 a.m. Has it gone down? No.
Come on, man.
Checked all my alerts. No. So I just got tired of it. I was like, I can't be losing sleep over Euro USD. This is really a toxic relationship now. It's like, it's causing me, look. So here, I was selling it from there. So when it got down, I thought, let me get out of this. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. As soon as I got out, look what it did. Came back against me. It is playing with my emotions and I'm not interested. So I'm done with Euro USD. Whether the read is right or not, I don't need to be in the trade to find out. I could just read it from here. There's easier ways to make money. So when I decided to get out of that, I jumped over to gold. And I caught this trend. I made the 0.5 like that. So I'm done with Euro USD until it starts moving. And it's not been doing that in the mornings recently. Gold is not looking good for me right now. But yeah, it looks like it may stop me out. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I may just take this and be happy with the win.
A few moments later.
Maybe it does what I expect it to do now, which is take this previous daily low. See, as it didn't want to take that previous daily high. Maybe wants to take this previous daily low. And if it takes that, it gets back into this zone. Maybe I exit because this is still a demand zone. Anything could happen in this zone. But if it gets down here, if I don't exit, I'm definitely taking partials and try to round this account up to 3%. That's the plan. Let's see how it goes.
Let's get started. Oh, that's real good. You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
I think I'm going to exit gold with this push and break of this low. Don't see any reason why it doesn't push and break it. and I'll end the account where I want it to be. Okay, go take it there. All right, good. 3%. So that was the entry. Exited some size and then finished it there. Very happy with that. Clean trade. That's all I needed this morning. Don't need to push it any further than that. I think that's it. I wanted a short streaming session, and I'm going to try be disciplined, do what I say I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to end it here. Hopefully this being useful for you guys. Be very careful today. There is a lot of news. Don't overtrade. Don't do what I did. And I'll be back here Monday morning streaming again, London session. So this is Patrick signing out. Until next time. Peace.